Hi, everybody. Dr. Robinson here, and today we're going to talk about the TechVision difference, helping the visually impaired see their world change through technology. Oh, yeah, that's what we're talking about. So, my incredible TechVision team and I specialize in providing one-on-one remote instruction for visually impaired individuals in real time. That's what makes us so different. We also teach their teams, we teach the adults, we teach groups to help enhance their technology skills also so they can enable and follow through on lessons that we teach the students. But you need the right technology. That's where we start. Get the right technology. PC computers, screen readers, get multiple JAWS, NVDA, teach, learn narrator, braille displays, because math, a lot easier if you have a braille display. Literacy skills, a whole lot easier to learn how to read and write if you can actually see it, with your fingers. But the right technology will do you no good if you don't have the right instruction to teach you very applicable skills to every single thing you need to know. If you come on and you say, I need to know how to do a slides or a PowerPoint, that's what we're going to teach you. Excel, Google Sheets, you need to do a spreadsheet, you're going to learn that. If you need anything, any new application, we're going to teach you how to do it. We're going to teach you how to fix your own computer, how to maintain it, how to keep it up. Something you don't know how to do, you can't connect up a braille device or something, or set up the right screen readers, we're going to show you how to do that. Anything the student needs to know, and the student is all ages, we're going to teach you exactly in real time. So our students are finishing their work same time their peers are. We're going to go ahead and get that done. Okay, so they need a little extended time on their math. Well, they don't ask for extended time. They're going to just have to do homework. Well, guess what? We'll meet you at home. We'll teach you how to complete that math assignment. Because let's face it, graphs and whatnot, well, it's nice if you have an embosser, get that embossed out. And then, of course, after you emboss the graph, we're going to go over exactly how to do that math. Trig, algebra, calculus, you name it, you're going to learn how to do that out in Word just like anybody else. But of course, our approach is very different. Our whole mission is to transform how the educational landscape is for the blind and visually impaired, because we know with the right technology and especially the right instruction and the instructional methods, our students can do anything their peers can do. Anything. It just takes time and, of course, enough hours to teach these kids. But more importantly, if they're advanced enough, they get internships with TechVision. So they actually can learn some real-time hands-on job skills. So then they've got something for their resumes. So when they apply for their job, they've got that. And it looks great on a college resume also. Anyway, the TechVision difference. We teach very different. We teach in real time exactly what you need to know. So let us know how we can help you and change your life also. The TechVision difference. Thanks.